Next up are hip drops. So hip drops are a great way to train the hip abductor muscles, the glute medius and minimus, in a different way than some of your other standard exercise. So we're really focused on pelvic stability and control, and this exercise really replicates the functional demands of those hip abductors in what we call a closed kinetic chain, so where the leg is planted. So I'm going to be targeting my right leg. So I need a step for this, and the step height doesn't really matter because I'm not going all the way to the ground. This is 4 inches, but you can do any variety of heights. So I do want a handheld assist though. So if you did do this on a staircase, you can use the bottom step and hold it on the railings. I'm using this step and I'm going to be holding on to this table. So I'm focused on the right leg. Even though my left leg is going to be moving, it's all about that stance leg in this closed kinetic chain position. So I'm going to be just holding onto my hip. So I'm going to use one hand, the same hand that's on the side of my stance leg is going to be holding onto the table. My left hand is going to be on my hip. And this left hand is going to be my guide so that you can see exactly what this pelvis is doing. So what I'm going to do is just drop this leg towards the ground, and you're going to notice my hip shifted, right? It dropped, hence the name of the exercise. Now, when you do this though, don't bend your knee. Keep this leg straight on the step. Only go as far down as your pelvis allows you to. It's a very, very minute movement. And then once you hit that limit, you're gonna come up and hike the hip. And then what you're gonna do is just drop the leg again, really slow and control. And then lift it back up. Now notice, I'm really focused on keeping a good posture throughout this exercise. As my pelvis drops, I'm going to be preventing any leaning or bending of the knee. So again, it's only a couple inches up and a couple inches down, but when you do this properly, you're going to feel a really good burn here. Nice way to begin strengthening this hip abductor muscle group in a very functional way to improve strength and stability around your pelvis, which has a lot of benefit from anywhere from back pain, hip pain, knee pain, ankle pain. Because these glutes have a really important role in stabilizing our core and our legs during functional movement.